How to use Industrial Alliance Life Insurance Canada properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Industrial Alliance Life Insurance can secure your family's financial future, but many Canadians make beginner mistakes that cost them money or reduce coverage. You won't believe how simple some of these mistakes are. A common error is choosing the wrong policy type. Term life insurance is affordable and covers temporary needs, while permanent life policies like whole or universal life provide lifelong coverage and cash value growth. Selecting the wrong option can leave gaps or unnecessary expenses. Underestimating coverage amounts is another trap. Many overlook future obligations like mortgages, debts, and educational costs. Properly calculating your family's needs ensures your life insurance fulfills its purpose. Failing to update beneficiaries is a major mistake. Life events such as marriage, divorce, or the birth of children may require adjustments. Ignoring this step can lead to delays or disputes during claims. Neglecting optional riders is also common. Industrial Alliance offers riders for critical illness, disability, or accidental death. Adding these can enhance your coverage and provide financial support in emergencies. Finally, misunderstanding policy features like cash value and loan options can limit long-term benefits. Regularly reviewing your policy ensures you understand growth potential, premiums, and any tax implications. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Industrial Alliance Life Insurance Canada. Choose the right policy, maintain sufficient coverage, update beneficiaries, explore optional riders, and monitor policy performance. This ensures your insurance protects your family exactly when they need it.